need to analyze the Cobra tank for weaknesses before the Batmobile can leave GCPD. There's the tank. I'll need to scan its hull to find a weakness I can exploit.
Attention all units! Cobra unit dispatched to Sector 3. All non-essential personnel, clear the immediate area. The Batmobile doesn't own these roads.
That's the rear scanned. Now I need to scan the sides. I've already analyzed this section. That's the right side scanned. I just need to scan the left side. Can't get a clear shot. I need to find a better angle. This section's already been analyzed. I've already analyzed this section. This section's already been analyzed. I've already analyzed this section. This section's already been analyzed. I've already analyzed this section. The Cobra drone has enough firepower to rip the Batmobile to shreds in just a few shots. And its armor is too thick for my weaponry to penetrate head-on. However, there is a weakness. The drone's rear exhaust port leads straight to the power core. One well-placed shot with the Batmobile's 60mm cannon should take it out.
I see you, Batman!
I can use the radar to track the drone's movements and get behind it for a clear shot at the exhaust port.
Scout destroyed. Impossible. We know what caliber rounds he's using. The armor was impenetrable. You can't just roll a single heavy armor unit into the field and expect to crush him under it. He's better than that. Initiate stage 2 attack protocols. Deploy all Cobra units in group formation.
Mr. Wayne, I trust that tank did.
What drives you, Batman? For most souls, it's fear of loneliness, of poverty, of death, but not you. You act like a man who mistakenly believes his worst fears have already come to pass.
electromagnetic pulse designed to temporarily scramble drone weapon targeting safer.
Now to get Ivy to the botanical gardens.
Have been deployed.
Thanks, Alfred. I'll need to take them out before I drop off Ivy.
We've lost one. Programming Cobra to respond. Hey, question. Did it hurt? Watching her die? Powerless to do anything? Lost him, sir. Nothing here. Our time will come. We'll drag his corpse through these streets. Barbara Gordon worked for you. She fought for you. And look where it got her.
Try and get me to the botanical gardens in one piece, Batman. Or you can kiss that miracle goodbye.
We're here, Ivy. What now?
Look at her. She's been here since before man walked the earth. She still holds great power. But she's weak. Poisoned by decades of pollution. She won't be able to fight Scarecrow's toxin on her own.
Then we need another.
There aren't any left like her. Not anymore.
What happened?
What do you think? Man. You cut them back, built over them, stopped them from reaching the sun.
If I can locate the roots, could you revive them?
They're lost. Buried beneath this concrete monstrosity. How will you...
The bigger the plant, the deeper the root. You wait here. I'll find a way to break them free. Lucius, I need a way to track it. Two-Face's crew is robbing the Bank of Gotham in Chinatown. They're not getting their hands on 1 cent of Gotham's money.
What road are we gonna slit first? line!
Two-Face's thugs won't hear me over the alarm. No need to be quiet. I can hit them fast, hit them hard.
Definitely easier than my last bank job. Oh, Rich! This couldn't be easier! Batman! He's over here!
We thought you might show up, Batman. We were counting on you.
He's here! You come near me, Batman!
I can't leave while there's a robbery in progress.
Well then, boys, looks like that bank has a bat infestation. Since we're making such a large withdrawal, why don't we take care of it for them? Lock the doors and fight! Whoever kills the bastard brings us the body, gets double cut.
Two-Face locked us in. The thugs aren't after money now. They're after me. And there's no alarm to cover the sound of my attacks.
Batman, you got this wrong. The Bank of Gotham, it launders money for the mob. Or what's left of it. You remember the mob, right? The guys who burned half our face off because they couldn't get to you? Now sure, there's plenty of clean money mixed with the dirty. But what isn't tainted in this town? So stay away from the bank. You'll regret it if you don't.
Cash. Two-Face's crew went after the Bank of Gotham in Chinatown. I need you to disable the bank's security gate and pick up Dent's thugs.
Sure thing, Batman. I'll send a car around now. The alarm's been tripped at the Bank of Gotham Drescher branch. Two-Face's crew are trying their luck, sir.
All right, boys, go. Go, go! We're gonna be rich even after Harvey takes his cut. Well, both his cuts.
My attacks will be covered by the noise of the alarm. No need to be subtle.
We're gonna be rich in a Bruce Wayne, boys.
Okay, men. Every time the bat gets one of you, we're gonna toss the coin. Heads, your family gets their hazard pay while you rot in jail.
Tails! They tails for this chump! We'll tell your wife you're sorry.
Just keep going and we'll get out of here in no time, boys.
Tails again! That's 2 bullets for each kid!
Got another man down over here! Keep your eyes open! Got another man down over here! Keep your eyes open! He's still here! Stay away, Bat! He's underneath us! He's using the floor grates! Then stop him! Blow him up! I see Batman! He's here!
Tails again? He's in a foul mood today!
Heads. So, fate shows a little mercy.
Anchor!
Tails! Can't argue!
Gentlemen, it's bonus time. You want to double your pay tonight? It's as easy as this.
Kill the Batman!
Two-Face cut the alarm. I need to be quiet.
Don't let him get away! I see him! He's stopped! Grenade! He went this way!
Batman, I knew you wouldn't let this slide. Remember when I had the principles? Remember when I told Gordon we should arrest you? Said we shouldn't work with vigilantes? You promised me we'd crush crime in Gotham within the year.
Was I ever part of the plan? Or was I just a distraction? A pretty boy lawyer the mob can focus all that hate on, while you tore them apart.
Last chance. Get out of my way, or I deal with you myself.
Cash. The Drescher Bank's secure. Send a car for Dent's men.
On it. tech, gentlemen. He won't know what's hit him.
What I hear, Knight wants Batman dead. Scarecrow making him hold back.
Man, look at all the construction work. No economic downturn here.
Pretty ugly, though. The way they're building all that new stuff.
Perimeter breach! Batman!
To be honest, I'm glad we're behind these barriers. It's season out there. Don't worry.
Have some fun, boys!
Yeah, I've got some interrogation skills. Did some...
All around units, we have a checkpoint down. Fortify positions. Batman's bringing the... Fine.
They just don't get it, do they? The mercenary life. Exactly. I put food on the table, blood diamonds in her jewelry box. I laundered all my money through...
The Batmobile can't auto-navigate to this area.